Operational, ready for duty. Supersonic Firebee 2. Teledyne Ryan Aeronautical's newest and most sophisticated in a family of jet-powered, high-performance, remotely piloted vehicles. It can help these pilots seek out and destroy the ultimate target, the enemy. More than 2 decades ago, Teledyne Ryan pioneered in designing and producing remotely controlled jet-powered vehicles for the Army, Navy, and Air Force. Firebee's mission is threefold. It supports weapons defense readiness in air-to-air or surface-to-air environments and defense training programs. Firebees have been used in support of weapons research, development, test, and evaluation of every major weapons system in the United States. Since 1949, Teledyne Ryan has produced 3 growth versions of its original Firebee. Today, subsonic Firebees are the free world's most widely used systems of their kind. Now, a 4th version, Supersonic Firebee 2. Engineering, design, and development of Firebee 2 began in 1965. Inherent in its advanced design is the look of the future. It matches the era of superiority fighter aircraft, incorporating a legacy from the past, quality craftsmanship. Firebee 2 is 28 feet in length with a 9-foot wingspan. Horizontal tail surfaces move collectively for pitch and differentially for roll. 1,920 pounds of sea-level static thrust is packed into Firebee 2's airframe by this Continental YJ69 T406 turbojet engine. The completed Firebee 2. Quality craftsmanship with the touch of excellence. Since rollout of the first flight test version in 1968, Firebee 2 has passed all its tests. Air launch, ground launch, recovery, retrieval. Now, ready for operational use. Typically, Firebee 2 climbs after launch to 45,000 feet at high subsonic speed, Mach 0.9. In this subsonic configuration, Firebee 2 carries an external fuel pod. In its transition to supersonic mode, the fuel pod is jettisoned as Firebee 2 utilizes its variable speed capability. Now, in its supersonic configuration, it will fly at Mach 1.1 at 50 feet, Mach 1.8 at 45,000 feet, and Mach 1.5 at 60,000 feet, offering supersonic presentations up to 10 minutes. Firebee 2 offers up to 76 minutes of flight time, flight maneuverability of up to 5 Gs, scoring systems that include digital Doppler and bi-Doppler radar, as well as camera scoring systems. Firebee 2 is also augmented with active and passive radar systems and infrared devices. Designed and developed for cost effectiveness, Firebee 2 is designed for reuse. Supporting this design is an automatic onboard recovery parachute system commanded either automatically or from the ground. It descends to a water recovery area for retrieval by boat or helicopter. The proven mid-air retrieval system, Mars, successfully used on the subsonic Firebee, will also be used on the Firebee 2. Firebee 2's reuse cycle enables it to be placed back into flight status within hours after a mission. As operational service for Firebee 2 begins, Teledyne Ryan engineers are already engaged in growth development. In this Mach 2 growth version, the fuselage has been stretched, fuel tank expanded, new tailpipe and fairings designed to accommodate a modified YJ69 T406 turbojet engine. Firebee 2's Mach 3 version offers a full delta wing, fusing fuselage and control surfaces into a single structure. Equipped with the best, these men can face combat knowing they have trained realistically against the nearest thing to the enemy itself. Teledyne Ryan Aeronautical's supersonic Firebee 2.